AC installation, Crosby, Texas, 041718. The ducts made by Mr. Robert Jose may return. Nice job. 16 inch flex ducts, RA. Nice handle. 5-ton air handler, 15 kW. White thermostat. New copper line. All the ducts, very nice handle. Job we made in Crosby, Texas, on attic job. It is about 115 degrees here on the attic, but we finished the job and now we need to start running the unit. Go outside and thermostat, put a power, and let's see. We finished this job. Thank you. Call use Air Care Solution. We stay on Facebook or with your friend reference. Air Care Solution, Arcola, Texas. Nice return, very seal. Sensor, primary drainage, secondary, everything good.